Good morning, student. Class 12 Mathematics, exercise 3.2, question number 20, and last question for this exercise. The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics book, and 10 dozen eco books. If their selling prices are rupees 80, rupees 60, and rupees 40 each, respectively, then find the total amount that bookshop will receive from selling all the books using matrix algebra. So matrix for number of books will be chemistry, for physics, and for eco 10 dozens for chemistry book, so 10 into 12 120, 8 dozens for physics book, 8 into 12 96, and 10 dozen for eco, 10 into 12 120. So matrix for number of books will be 120, 96, and 120. Matrix for number of books will be row matrix. We have to construct a row matrix for number of books, and for cost matrix should be in column. It means matrix for cost should be column matrix, so that we can multiply this matrix to this matrix for finding the total amount. So total amount will be this matrix multiplied by this matrix. So 120 into 80 plus 96 into 60 plus 120 into 40. So 9600 plus 5760 plus 4800. Total amount is 20160. So total amount received by bookshop is rupees 20160. Is it clear? So our exercise has been completed. Now come to the next topic, which is much easy for you. Transpose of a matrix. If a matrix A is given by this matrix, then its transpose will be represented by AT or A dash. Transpose of matrix A will be this. It means each row will be converted into columns. 213, first row will be converted into first column. 213, 213. Second row will be converted to second column. 456, 456. And third row will be converted into third column. Minus 235, minus 235. So if matrix A is this, then its transpose will be AT or A dash. Rows will be converted into columns. Is it clear? Now A transpose whole transpose will be A. It means if transpose of matrix is again find transpose, then answer will be the original matrix. Suppose this is a matrix A and we have find the transpose of matrix A, it means A dash or AT. Then again if we will find the transpose of AT, then it will be converted into A. Is it clear? Second formula, KA whole transpose will be K into A transpose, and A plus B transpose will be equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Same formula for negative sign, A minus B whole transpose equals to A transpose minus B transpose, and next formula AB whole transpose equals to B transpose A transpose. It means AB whole dash equals to B dash E dash. This is the formula for transpose of matrix. Now come to the exercise. Before coming the exercise, two more topics are there: symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix and skew-symmetric matrix. So what is symmetric matrix? A matrix will be said to be symmetric if its transpose is equals to the given matrix. For example, if matrix A is given and we have to show that A is symmetric, so we have to show that A T equals to A. So there is a matrix given, so transpose of A will be 1 minus 1 5, 1 minus 1 5, minus 1 2 1, minus 1 2 1, 5 1 3, 5 1 3. This is again A. So AT equals to A or A dash equals to A. So this matrix is symmetric matrix. This is the condition which is fulfilled. AT equals to A, then it will be symmetric matrix, and this is symmetric matrix. Second topic, skew symmetric matrix. A matrix will be skew symmetric matrix if A dash equals to minus A or AT equals to minus A. For example, if matrix A is given and we have to show that matrix A is skew symmetric, for it we have to prove that AT equals to minus A. So matrix A is given and we will find the transpose of this given matrix. 0 1 minus 4, 0 1 minus 4, minus 1 0 1, minus 1 0 1, 4 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 0. So rows are to be converted into columns. Okay, now taking out negative sign as common from each element of this matrix, we have 0, positive 1 will be negative 1, negative 4 will be positive 4, plus 1 0, minus 1, minus 4, plus 1 0, and this is the original matrix A. So AT equals to minus A. This is the condition for skew symmetric matrix. So A is skew symmetric matrix. Clear? One more formula is here. If A is square matrix, then A plus A dash, A plus transpose of A will be symmetric, and A minus transpose of A will be skew symmetric. This condition will always be true. Clear? So now your homework is exercise 3.3 and CRT from question number 1 to question number 8. Thank you.